Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight shines on a delightful gadget that brings a touch of nostalgia and practicality to any space. The Srliya Embossing Label Maker. This isn't just another label printer. It's a manual, 3D embossed label writer that promises a unique, tactile experience. Upon first glance, its vibrant blue hue, identified as 311, immediately catches the eye, giving it a playful yet sophisticated appeal. It's compact and lightweight, truly living up to its portable designation, making it an ideal companion for organizing on the go, whether it's for a crafting session, tidying up the pantry, or adding a personal touch to gifts. The core of the Srliya Embossing Label Maker's charm lies in its DIY manual operation. There are no batteries to worry about, no complex software, just pure mechanical satisfaction. Operating it is wonderfully intuitive. One simply loads the embossing tape, which is a straightforward process, then rotates the dial to select the desired character. With each firm squeeze of the handle, a crisp, raised letter or number is pressed onto the tape, creating that iconic 3D embossed effect. The satisfying click that accompanies each impression is part of the experience, a small auditory reward for every label created. The labels themselves are incredibly durable. The embossed characters stand out, literally making them easy to read and resistant to fading or smudging, unlike some printed labels. This makes them perfect for items that might see a lot of handling or exposure. The adjustable feature is a subtle but significant benefit, allowing for precise control over spacing and ensuring a clean cut every time, which is crucial for a polished finish. Imagine labeling spice jars with elegant, raised text, organizing toolboxes with robust, easy-to-spot identifiers, or personalizing school supplies with a distinctive flair. The possibilities are vast. This label maker encourages creativity and brings a sense of accomplishment with every perfectly crafted label. It transforms mundane organizational tasks into an enjoyable activity. For anyone seeking a reliable, charming, and distinctly tactile way to label and organize, the Srliya Embossing Label Maker stands out. It's a testament to simple, effective design, proving that sometimes the most satisfying tools are the ones that connect us directly to the process. Its manual nature isn't a limitation. It's a feature that offers a refreshing break from digital complexities, delivering tangible, beautiful results every time.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.